Honor is preparing to launch one of the strangest and most futuristic smartphones ever made, and surprisingly, this phone could arrive right around the same time as Apple's iPhone 18 Pro. But this is not just another flagship with a better camera or faster processor. Honor is trying something completely different, and honestly, the concept looks like something from a sci-fi movie. The company has officially confirmed that its so-called robot phone will launch in Q3 of this year, which means sometime between July and September. That timing is very interesting because Apple is also expected to launch the iPhone 18 Pro and the foldable iPhone Ultra in early September. So instead of competing with normal Android phones only, Honor may end up stealing attention during one of the biggest smartphone launch seasons of the year. Honor first showed this device earlier at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. At that time, many people thought the phone looked too futuristic to become a real product. The teasers made it seem almost alive, like a phone with emotions and movement abilities. Honor even described it as an emotional companion that could adapt to its environment. It sounded more like a robot assistant than a smartphone, but now things are becoming much more real. Honor recently brought the robot phone to the Cannes Film Festival, where selected guests were actually able to experience the device in person. And instead of focusing on AI emotions and robotic personality features, Honor is now pushing the phone as a next-generation camera device designed especially for video creators. The biggest feature of this phone is its built-in gimbal system. Honor says the robot phone includes an ultra-compact 4DoF gimbal system with robot-grade motion control. That may sound complicated, but the idea is actually simple. The camera can physically stabilize itself while moving, allowing smoother and more professional-looking videos directly from a smartphone. Normally, people need external gimbals or stabilizers for cinematic tracking shots. Honor wants to bring that experience inside the phone itself. According to the company, users will be able to capture stabilized tracking shots and moving videos that look far smoother than regular smartphone footage. And this is where things get even more interesting. Honor also confirmed a partnership with ARRI, one of the most respected cinema camera companies in the world. ARRI cameras are used in major Hollywood productions and high-end filmmaking. This collaboration means elements of ARRI image science are being integrated into a consumer smartphone for the very first time. That could completely change how this phone handles color, lighting, and video processing. Even though Honor has not revealed the full technical details yet, the partnership alone shows that the company is taking mobile videography very seriously. This phone is clearly being built for content creators, vloggers, filmmakers, and people who care more about video quality than benchmark scores. While most smartphone brands are focused on AI editing tricks and camera megapixels, Honor seems to be focusing on motion control and cinematic shooting features. Of course, the robot phone will not have an easy launch. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide around July. Then Google's Pixel 11 series is likely arriving in August with major AI upgrades and camera improvements. And finally, Apple's iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected in September with new display technology and camera changes. So Honor is entering one of the most competitive smartphone periods of the entire year. But honestly, that might actually help the robot phones stand out more. Most modern smartphones are starting to look very similar. Every year, companies talk about brighter displays, faster chips, and slightly improved cameras. But a smartphone with a built-in robotic gimbal system, that immediately grabs attention. Even if the robot phone ends up being more of a niche product, it still feels exciting because it is trying something different. The smartphone industry has become very predictable lately, and devices like this bring back some creativity and experimentation. The biggest question now is pricing. If Honor manages to keep the price reasonable, this phone could attract creators who normally spend extra money on camera gear and stabilizers. But if the price becomes too high, it may end up as a cool experimental gadget that only a small number of people buy. Either way, the robot phone is officially real, and its launch is now much closer than expected. The second half of 2026 is shaping up to be one of the craziest smartphone battles in years, and Honor may have just created the most unique phone in the entire competition. Subscribe to the channel for more smartphone leaks, launch updates, and the latest tech news coming every single day.